see into my eyes like open doors, leading you down into my core, where I become so numb without a soul. My spirit sleeping somewhere cold until you find me there and lead it back home.
Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside.
Call my name and save me from the dark. Bid my blood to run before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I've become.
Mayday, we need immediate assistance. Accelerate to attack speed. Target locked. Open fire.
Next mission confirmed. Squadron moving out. Incoming Imperial forces.
Somewhere cold until you find me there and lead it back.
thoughts, they make no sense. I found this in ignorance. Nothing seems to go away over and over again. Just like before. Everything you say to me is one step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. I need a little room to break. 'Cause I'm one step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. Everything you say to me is one step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. I need a little room to break. 'Cause I'm one step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. 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 Shut up when I'm talking to you. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up when I'm talking to you. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. I'm about to write everything you say to me. One step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. I need a little room to break. 'Cause I'm one step closer to the edge. I'm about to break everything you say to me. One step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. I need a little room to break. 'Cause I'm one step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break.
Forfeit the game of where somebody else takes you out of the frame and put your name to shame, cover up your face. You can't run the race, the pace is too fast, it just won't last.
You love the way I look at you while taking pleasure in the awful things you put me through. You take away if I give in. My life, my pride is broken. You have to think you're never wrong. You live what you do. You have to act like you're someone. You live what you do. You want someone to have like you. You live what you do. You wanna share what you've been through. You live what you do. You love the things I say I'll do. The way I hurt myself again just to get back